Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the third brake light bulb on a Mercedes W163 M-Class. So as you can see now, if you hit the brake, there will be no third brake light. Okay, let's give it a try. As you can see, the brake lights work, but the third brake light does not work. So stay with us to see how we're going to replace it. And don't forget to subscribe, we have one new video on our channel every day. First thing that you need to do, you need to open the trunk lid, and right there now on the top, this cover, if you squish here to the inside, you can pull out both sides. You need to push in, then you need to come this way and pull it out. And now that's where the brake light bulb is located. Now in order to replace it, you need to pull this right here to the back, like that. And that's where the brake light is. That's the bulb. And as you can see, ours is burned. You need to turn about 30 degrees counterclockwise. And that's the bulb, and we'll be replacing it with a new one. So all we need to do is just go right in the slots and turn it clockwise this time, about 30 degrees. And now we need to go on this side first. Okay, let me show you right there. And then you press it in. This needs to be underneath it. And all you gotta do is install the cap, and you go in an angle like that, and then you need to go on this side and push it in. Okay, pretty simple procedure so far, and now we're going to test it and see if it actually works or not. Okay, let's give it a try. And as you can see, brake light, third brake light works perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.